Sam is, but oh well. Okay, so, and then, okay, so this is my new sheet. So then I go macros, AB, run. This section contains multiple data values. Is that fine?
This section contains what?
It says alert. This section contains multiple data values. Merging into one cell will keep the upper leftmost data only.
Okay, so first, when you do your manipulation, did you have those red things up there?
Oh, geez, no.
Okay, so then I took it out. Or I left it there on the original. But then what I did is I copied it. So hit cancel. So go to, since this is the copy.
Yeah.
Right click. Oh, you've already done some stuff. So cancel this out. So delete that one.
Delete the sheet. Okay, delete.
And then insert a new one.
I'm
sorry, not insert a new one. Create a new one.
Right. A new copy.
Yeah, a new copy. Okay. So this one you want to get rid of what it's already done.
So I have the same original copy.
Okay, so now copy that one again.
This sheet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so is that the one with the 5?
This is the 5.
Oh, this is the 5. Okay. So now take out the top 2 columns. You can either delete them or you can just get rid of them.
Delete. Okay.
So from now on, this is the one you copy from. That way you don't have the warning thing on every tab.
Oh, so when I do the macros? Oh, I see. When I'm rerunning it, restarting.
So I would just, you've had those down there before, right? When you ran the macros, were those red things there or not? And how did you get rid of them?
No, that was the first time they've ever showed up.
Okay, because you just copied it fresh, which is what is expected. Oh. So when you run your macros, where they run against this format right here, because it's key that you do it in the exact same format or the exact same location.
So these are all shifted down 1, I think.
Okay, so add one more field or one more row.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So now copy this one more time.
This whole sheet.
Yes. Because this is the one that this is your copy original. That way you can copy this one multiple times and not have to worry about the red thing anymore.
So then won't he get mad that we deleted that?
We didn't. It's still on sheet 1.
Oh. I see. And we just leave sheet 1 there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sweet. So now I can try and do it again. Step AB. Okay. Run. Oh, I think it worked. So now
go to sheet 7 or sheet 1-7.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
So now I need to just combine my other ones.
Well, did you run it just to test it?
Yeah, this one worked.
Okay, it did all A, B, C, D, correct?
Oh, it did. Oh, yeah.
Okay, it did everything from the original too. Okay. Yeah. So now you can delete this one so that you don't accidentally try to run it over.
I see. Delete.
I went through about 40 sheets.
I know, geez, it's like, this is ridiculous.
But once I realized I break it up in small pieces, way easier.
Right. So I've combined A and B, so now I need to combine.
You can do the rest now.
Okay, so now I'm doing E. Should I do one at a time or just do all of them?
I would just do them all.
Okay.
Because you've already tested that they all work.
Yeah, I did. I had to add one though at the bottom. Let's see. This I can delete.
And the thing is, you can tinker with stuff.
Yeah.
It's like, because anytime you do a column select, and then you do a range, a size, a column width. If you change it multiple times, it's going to show in your macro multiple times. So you can clean it up and get rid of the stuff as well.
By just adding on to the macro?
No, by cutting things out.
Oh, so but then you have to know what it's saying.
Well, for example, look at your goo macro.
Yeah, this one.
So go scroll down a little bit on your goo one.
I'm down to the bottom.
Oh, there it is. Okay, so you had your column select E, so it's selecting the entire column.
Yeah.
And it's giving it a number format. There it is. It's giving your range F4 to F34 the number format of 0.00.
Yeah.
So it's really self-explanatory what it's doing. But there's certain ones where you had to, whether you did an auto fit, then that you can do that, or you can give it a specific value of what the width should be.
Right. It's just hard to know which one's which. Okay.
Well, just remember, everything is cells. So you have your F4 to F34, so you can just go on your thing.
Yeah, that's
okay.
True.
Here's my range. What did I want to do? Okay, that's right.
So now that I'm done, I just leave this last N sub.
Yep.
Oh. Okay. Let's pray this works. Okay, so.
And then save it.
Oh. How do you save it?
There should be a save button.
Run. I don't know if there is. I didn't do that last time.
Okay.
Okay. So now this is my copied one, my good one that I'm copying off of. So I need to make a new copy of this one. No. 1.5.
So go to the 6, copy from 6.
From 6?
I think 6. I think 6 will start. It's either 5 or 6.
Let me see.
That you copy from.
Yeah, it's a
sheet 1.5 sheet 1.5.
Okay, so now the moment of truth. Macros. KB. It worked! Does that look like nice? Is that what yours looks like?
It hasn't. It's still on delay, so I don't know exactly.
Oh.
Right now, it shows you running it, so.
Oh, okay.
We'll see. Hold on.
Well, it looks like it worked. I mean, it's a pretty simple thing. Like, I didn't add, like, anything crazy, you know?
Yeah, you actually used some of the colors, like a gray,
yeah.
The non. The only difference I did actually was the yield is a percentage.
Oh, duh. So should I just create a new macro and then add that to the bottom?
Yep. Create a new macro and then just add that to the bottom. The other thing, now you added one in between item number and description. You had a space. Did it ask for that? I thought it was item number and description were together.
Oh, let me double check. Okay, there should be narrow blank columns inserted between relevant sections. The first section should be item number and description. Oh, you're right. So I need to delete this one and add yield. Okay, so yield. So we'll go right.
So you want to do the yield one right now, and then I'll help you figure out
the other one
from the macro to not do the. I was gonna throw everything off.
Percentage. Okay, now stop. Now developer. So now I just need to add this at the end. Okay, so now I need to fix my column. Right? So I inserted one in between A and B.
The problem is it might throw your other ones off.
Right.
So what you want to do is...
Oh, you're right, because I did it at the very beginning.
Yeah, so what you might want to do is just do a record and delete it.
Wait, what do you mean?
Delete B
column.
at the end.
Oh.
And that way, and then just add that to the end.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's good, yeah. Okay. Delete. But other than that, everything looks pretty right? I mean, it's pretty simple.
You kick your grid lines. Oh, freeze frame. Yeah, you froze it.
Yep. Perfect. So now let's run it again. Insert. Oh wait, move or copy. Yay, perfect. So now the only thing is I have this keyboard shortcut because it has to be an M, right?
Hold on, did that? Is that part of the
thing? I think so. He said, yeah, the inventory analysis will make sure the new sheet with copied data on it is selected and then run a macro by pushing 2 keys on the keyboard, Control and M.
Okay, I did not do that, so I need to.
Oh, good. Well, I'm glad to remember then. So I did it on one of my sheets, but it wasn't this one that I'm doing now. So I'm just going to copy it. Or hopefully it works.
Okay. Let's see if that works for me.
Copy.
And Control. Yeah. Bam, shaka.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think mine's working. I think mine's because it's a Mac though, because it said I couldn't do a capital M. Or it said I couldn't do.
You can just do a lowercase m.
Oh, I mean, it says I couldn't do a lowercase m. It said that was already taken. Yeah, so I'll just fiddle with it. If not, I'll just do a different letter and tell him in the comments. I might get docked a point, but that's fine.
That worked though.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Stop screen sharing. Okay, I don't know where Sam is. Let me check our email. Well, maybe something came up. Okay, sweet. Well, I'm pretty good then. I'm going to stop this broadcast.